Hey guys, welcome to Genuine Techies. Today I am going to do a quick unboxing and review of this hard disk Toshiba Canvio Elumi model. This hard disk I bought almost a month back from Flipkart and I am using it regularly, very frequently for my data storage, and I am very impressed with this hard disk performance. It seems to be a very good hard disk. After my continuous uses, I am not feeling any problem with this. So guys, let me quickly unbox this and show it how this hard disk looks. So this is the product here. They gave one USB 3.0 cable. So any laptop which is having a USB 3.0 port, it will support those laptops, and it will support USB 2.0 port laptops also, but the speed you will not get that much in comparison to USB 3.0 port laptops. So almost now all the new laptops which are coming in the market are having supporting USB 3.0, so it should not be a problem for anyone. Let me open the box and take out this hard disk here. So this is the product. So let's keep this aside. Now guys, this is very compact in size. Actually, I will say this is almost 1 and 2 inch in length, and breadth it will be almost 1.5 inch. Let's talk about the build. This product is feeling very solid to me. This is complete metal body which they have given. I have used earlier Seagate hard disk also, but the build of those hard disks will be normally plastic only. They will use plastic for this for their hard disk in comparison to Seagate hard disk. So I am feeling this product build is very nice. They are making it completely with metal, which is a very solid part. Hard disk should be very solid, because sometimes if it gets fell, then your data should be secure and it should not break down. So this is one nice part of this hard disk which I like very much. Now let's talk about the read and write speed of this hard disk. So I'm continuously using this for almost 15 days almost. I bought it 1 month before, but I am using it frequently for 15 days I guess. So after that I am giving this average speed of this hard disk will be around, read speed will be around 45 Mbps. Means if you are transferring any content from this hard disk to your laptop, it will come average speed of 45 Mbps, which is a very nice speed. And if you are looking for write speed, so write speed is also pretty good. I am getting almost 100 Mbps speed. So that's a very nice speed for if you want to transfer any content to your hard disk. So generally people will transfer huge movies, games, softwares, most of the stuffs they will transfer to their hard disk. So at that time you can transfer your stuffs very easily with very high speed. And in the end, about the warranty I will tell you. So it comes with a warranty of 5 years I guess. Yeah, here they did mention. Yeah, when I bought this, actually they mentioned in the Flipkart product description page that it is having a warranty of 5 years. And Toshiba is a good brand also. So guys, you can definitely go for this hard disk if you want to buy it. because I bought this for 5400 in Flipkart. Now most of the hard disk for Seagate, which is mostly people will prefer, they will come around 7000 for this 2 terabyte capacity. But this one is 5400, which is very cheap in comparison to that one. So guys, if you want a nice cheap hard disk, go for it. I will highly recommend this. And guys, please subscribe to my channel and like. And guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and give any comments, whichever queries you have about this hard disk. I will surely help you in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Genuine Techie signing off.